Hey Bulldogs! Today you will be taking your science curriculum assessment. It'll be done during class if you are on campus. So when you go into the module, I've got a page with instructions for everybody, whether you're on campus or doing this from home. So when you look at today's date, today is Wednesday, November 11th, and click on the curriculum assessment instructions. It's got some tips and some guidelines for you to keep in mind. You will have 90 minutes to complete this curriculum assessment. So if you're at home, make sure you set that time aside. If you are on campus, you will have the full class period today, and you'll have the class period tomorrow to get that CA finished up if you need it. You will need a calculator for your curriculum assessment. So if you don't have a calculator, I do have a link right here for an online calculator. So you can click that link and you can access that and use it while you're testing. To begin your test, you're going to log into Rapid Identity, and that's how you're going to get to Polaris. Everybody is taking their curriculum assessment digitally this time around. So if you're on campus, you're not going to get the paper copies and the bubble sheets like you did last time. So I've got a video to walk you through where to go and what everything is going to look like and how to take your curriculum assessment and submit. So make sure that you watch this video before you start so you know exactly what you're doing. For those that are at home, they have definitely simplified the process. You do not need a session key this time. You don't have to type in a specific web address to get to Polaris. You get to it directly through Rapid Identity, and you use your Rapid Identity login. So it should be much easier and a much better experience for you than the last time. If you do still have some issues, I've got some troubleshooting tips down here at the bottom. And I want to point out that if you need your test read out loud to you, and Kurzweil is not working, or if you just don't really like Kurzweil, then I've got a link with some other options right here, some different Chrome extensions that you can add on to your web browser, and it will read anything. This might be a good tip just in general for working with Canvas, because it'll read anything that's on your screen. So if you need any help with anything along the way, don't hesitate to ask. I'll be here for you with whatever you need. Just send me a message in Canvas and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So y'all do your best work. I know that you've got this under control. We've learned all of these things in class, so you will be amazing. And like my little test taking gift says, you can do it. All right, I'll see you later, Bulldogs.